Hey friends, if you wish to optimize power settings on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane you'll find something called as power and battery. Click on that and then you can change the power settings from here to best performance or something else for both the plugged in and on battery mode. Okay, you should know this one thing. Best power efficiency saves battery. This one drains a lot of battery. Then you can choose the screen and sleep options, like when should the system turn the screen off after an activity and when should it fall asleep. I selected it never for both options, but you can choose accordingly, and the same for the on battery mode. Okay, and then we have an energy saver switch which turns on at 30% battery, but I prefer to keep it off because these days computers are efficient. And then you can see the battery usage monitor here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.